Hi parents, hi young actors. My name is Dawnnie Mercado and I've been teaching acting to kids and teens for over 30 years. Oh wait! Let's get to today's lesson. Episode 1, What is Acting? The Great Adventure Begins. Alex and Maya are sitting in a park with a cardboard box stage. Alex asks, what does it really mean to act? Is it just pretending? Maya, yeah, but sometimes pretending feels real. How does that work? Just then, a glowing spotlight suddenly appears on the box. The kids look around, amazed. The spotlight transforms the park into a magical red curtain theater. The kids step inside. And so their adventure begins into the magical world of acting. Enter Stanislavski, the great acting master. Stanislavski floats down from above, holding a glowing script. Good morning, young actors. I am Stanislavski, here to guide you. Maya, wow, a real acting master. Alex, wait, are you holding a magic script? Stanislavski, acting is not just pretending. Acting is living truthfully in imaginary circumstances. The glowing script opens, and scenes appear inside. A knight, a teacher, a superhero. Maya, so when we act, we really feel like we're in the story? Stanislavski, yes. You use your imagination to bring the story to life. Pretend with purpose. Imagination in action. The kids step into the glowing script. Their cardboard box becomes a spaceship, then a castle, then a classroom. Alex, in the spaceship, I'm the captain of the rocket. Maya, and I'm the queen of the kingdom. Stanislavski, changing characters too. See, your imagination transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Instantly, the theater fades back into the park, but the kids are still inspired. Maya, so acting is playing but with real feelings. Alex, yeah. Acting is pretending with purpose. Stanislavski waves as he is fading away. Bravo! Your acting adventure has just begun. Remember, live truthfully even in imaginary worlds. Just then, the glowing script floats into the sky like a star. Thanks for watching TADA Acting Studio. You can find me, Miss Dawnnie, through the links at the top of this channel. Subscribe for more cartoon acting adventures with Alex and Maya and the Great Masters. And don't forget to comment about your favorite part. Ta-da! Acting made fun in cartoons. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to put in the comments one thing you loved or that you didn't already know. I'll see you in the next one.